No, you know, the Maverick is one of the biggest fans of tennis star Naomi Osaka. But something gone wrong with her. She has now withdrawn from the French Open after coming under pressure for refusing to do press conferences, citing pressure on her mental health, especially when she loses. What British nonsense! So based on what Osaka is saying, she's all right when she wins, but she can't deal with the questions and the pressure when she loses. Naomi Osaka does not understand that media scrutiny and interviews are part and parcel of the life that she chose. Not because I am a media man, but what she's going on with is madness. Naomi Osaka needs to understand that the very money she's made and continues to make as a tennis star comes from the packaging and marketing of the tennis product, inclusive of the star players' interaction with the public via the same interviews and press conferences. She claims she's taking an indefinite break from the game. That is what she should do. And while she's on that break, she needs to decide if she really wants to be a professional tennis player or she wants to look at work around at the factory. What Osaka is doing is akin to a person wanting to become a commercial airline pilot, but citing a fear of flying. Naomi, the Maverick is still your biggest fan, but may I beg you, stop the foolishness, stop the foolishness.